Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Girl in the City. Today we're gonna see how to roast sweet corn. So let's roast it.
For roasted sweet corn, let's first peel the corn and clean it properly. We need a stand like this for roasting the sweet corn. Turn the flame on high and place the corn on top of the stand. Rotate the corn in between and roast it properly. You will see some black spot around. That means that part of the corn has been roasted properly. Roast all the side properly. Roasted sweet corn is done. Sprinkle some salt and lime juice. Enjoy!